So hello guys, welcome back. Now we're going to do a chapter 8 activity. We're going to do all of the activities are, that in chapter 8. So let's start. Activity that we're going to do is calculate the subject mass basic. In this activity, you are given the subject mass in decimal format to enter the binary representation of subject mass in the octet fields provided. Additionally, convert the mass to prefix notation. So first is 2 by 5. Next, all 1. Next one is all 1 also. So all 1, 2, all 0. Let's go for 16, 24, 25, 26, 26. We check is correct, incorrect. 27. It is correct. The another one, we're going to do another one. All 16, 17, 18, 19, dash 19. It is also correct. Another one, 240. 240 is dash 20. It is correct. So that is another one. We're going to do another one. 224, 252, 252 is 8 plus 8, 16 plus 16, 32. Is dash 31. No, 30. Correct. So now we're going to proceed to the another activity, which is practicing calculate that one. Determine the number of bits to borrow. So in this activity, you're given of whose number of hosts that are needed to determine the subnet mask that would support the number of hosts specified. Enter as your answers in binary decimal. So let's begin. So first is all 1. Next all 1, all 1. Oh, my fault. All 1. And the last one is 1, 1, 0. And then the subnet mask we're going to 225.255.255.224. Prefix is 16 plus 8, 24, 26. So next is all 1, and the third is 111 and 3 zeros only, and all zeros. Subnet mask is this 255.0 and dash 22. So the next one is 75. So 75 is all 1. Next is all 1 again. Next is all 1. The next one is 1 and all zeros, and the last one is 255.255.255.120, and the prefix is slash 25. So the next one is 10, all 1, all, oh, default again, all 1, all 1, tab, and 4 ones, 4 ones, and subnet mask is 255.255.255.240, and prefix is slash 8, 16, 24, 28, 28. The next one is 500, all 1, all 1, all this is all 0, and so next 255.255.255.0, and it is dash 23. So if we going to check it, the one is incorrect. Why? Because it's 26. All 1, all 1. So in the this is 1 1. So it's 2 2 4 6 20 16 24 25 2 2 5. Reset and check. And that is all for our determine the number bits to borrow. The next activity that we're going to do is practicing VLSM. So practicing VLSM, table 1 uses regular subnetting to accommodate the network shown in the table 2 uses VLSM to further subnet to network drag address to appropriate subnet description. So first is the full subnet, which is 255. Next one is first prefix notation is /26, and 192.168.63 is going to be our first full subnet range. And next is second full subnet range is we're going to 192.168.127, and our last full subnet range is 192.168. So going to check it. It is all correct. So let's proceed to the another activity, which is in the part 2 of practicing BLSM. Table 2 uses BLSM to further subnet the network drag the address to appropriate subnet description. So first is second full subnet, which is we're going to do is 198.168.127. Next is new VLSM subnet mask is 255.255.255.224. The next is VLSM prefix notation. The first full subnet range is 192.168.5.64, and last full subnet range is this. And as we check, maybe let's change it and check it again. So guys, that is all correct, and That is all of our activity in chapter 8. Hope you know or hope you have knowledge now about subnetting IP networks. So guys, thank you and for your time and God bless to all of you. That's all.